Welcome to a new set of videos for the Trent Valley Railway, which will feature the track cam. And this is a Polaroid Cube Plus camera sat on a little truck wagon in front of a loco, and this will give a completely different perspective around the layout. So we'll get straight into some of the footage, which shows the inclines first going down and back up. So before we see some more footage in the other direction around the inclines, just wanted to talk through what the track cam is. So the Polaroid Cube Plus camera turns on by holding it down, gives a beep and a green light. It is then ready. This can either take pictures or it will take a video. So if I then double tap, it will then start to progress with recording the video. It starts flashing red as it's then recording, and when you want to stop it, press it and it will go back to green. Behind the Polaroid Cube Plus, I do then have several weights. This is to sort of balance up the conflat wagon to make sure that the camera and the footage is as steady as possible. And then what I'll try and do is, because what is on the bottom of the Polaroid Cube Plus is a magnet, so that then attaches itself to the conflat wagon. What I've gone and got is effectively an unpainted conflat, and obviously I don't need the container from Dapol. The base of the wagon is magnetic, so as soon as you try and put that anywhere near there, it will take it there, and it's pretty secure and it won't fall off. So in between then I've got a Cadee coupling. That's what I've got mostly then with most of the model railway stock around the layout. And it also then has a Wi-Fi button on the top, which if you press that, it also connects up with the app, which has just been updated, and that then also gives you a view of what is being shown directly on the camera front from the Polaroid Cube Plus. So this is a short video there of what it's made up of. We'll now get back to seeing the rest of the footage for around the incline, but in this time the opposite direction. There'll be more videos coming soon for the track cam. I'll probably do one through the fiddle yard, and then eventually there'll be some more through the scenery section here. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from the Trent Valley Railway.